when that saying, "When you know, hit me, and I knew I couldn't let you go. I felt the most calm, the most certain, and the most grounded, knowing I was falling in love with you so soon after we met.
From the moment we met and spent 3 hours laughing over sushi, my life has been better and brighter. There has been no decision easier than the one to stand up here with you today.
Loving you was always the easiest decision I've ever made without question.
With you, I've never felt nervous. I've never felt stressed. I've only ever felt at peace.
You've brought a sense of peace, joy, and effortlessness to my life that I've never known.
You are the love of my life. All that I am and all that I will be is yours forever.
You're the most honorable, loyal, gentle, and loving man I've ever had the pleasure of knowing next to my father. I couldn't have picked a better man to commit myself to build a family with, and to experience the rest of our lives together.
My great friend, you may now kiss your bride.